Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to do a review and show you the operation of a brand new grease gun. Okay, so we got this grease gun, ordered it from Amazon. It's $19.99. My son had one. It's been working great for months, so I decided I would get one. So it's already been proven and true. It's GGPK-001-BX. Okay, so here it is. This is called BraveX. These come in silver, they come in red, maybe other colors, anywhere from $19.99 up to the highest $33 that I've seen them. But it comes with a flexible tip that you'll screw on when you get it, and it comes with a hard tip. We'll just leave right there. And it's very good. We've used it for months and months. My son's, who's identical to this. And so we know it's good. And it's got a little tip here that you can screw on and off so you can put it on your Zerk fitting, tighten it up, and it's not going to pop off on you. So this is adjustable. And it's called a pistol grip, BraveX pistol grip gun. And it holds 14 ounces of grease. Well, sometimes the air gets trapped in there and it doesn't work right, so you got a little push button right here that you can let the air out of it to get it functioning again. Okay, what we like using for grease is John Deere lithium grease, because that's usually what we're working with is John Deere equipment, but you could use marine grease if you were dealing with a trailer stick in the water all the time, or whatever your favorite type of grease is. But you just get you a can like this. It's anywhere from usually $3 or $4. Okay, so to put the grease in, we're going to screw this cap off, or you can screw the tube off of the cap. It's just threaded on there. And it has a nice little rubber gripper right here, which is nice when your hands get all greasy, not sliding around on there. But you're just going to put that to the side. You're going to get your can of grease here, and one end's got to peel off, and the other end just pops off. And you're going to put the end that pops off in there. But first, you're going to draw this lever here all the way out until it locks. Okay, so the first thing you do, pull out that lever until it locks. Okay, then you're going to stick your tube in there. Here's your grease, here's your tube. You're going to stick in that end right there, and it's going to seat right on this little rim, and you're just going to put that on in there until it seats. All right, so that seats on there. You're just going to peel this little part right here off, and there's your grease right there. Then we're going to screw our cap back on. All right, we just push this tab down, and then we are ready to go. All right, so today we're going to be demonstrating this on our RV. We've got a fifth wheel right here, 36-foot Grand Design. And every time you go on a trip, you want to grease up these hubs. And then when you get back, ready to go on your next trip, you want to grease up these hubs, because you don't want to have a hub going out on the highway. Same thing with your lawn trailer, your boat trailer, everything. You want to make sure that the stuff stays greased. Here I have a boat trailer. Same thing here. You could have salt water get in those bearings. You don't want that. So you're going to use the same grease gun, the same grease if you want, or you could switch to marine grease for this. But same thing with your lawn trailer. As I said, I'm from Naples Lawn Service, and same thing here. You want to keep those greased up. Your bearings and your hubs are going to last a lot longer if you keep them greased up all the time. Now, going on a 600-mile RV trip, that's going to be more important than just hauling your lawn trailer down the road for a day or two. But it's all important. So this is how you're going to do it. Now, before you use it, there's usually a dust cover or a rubber cover or a buddy bearing cap or something like that. You just got to pop that off there. On this RV, it's like this. And then your Zerk fitting is what they call it. It's going to be up inside there. Okay, next thing I did is push this on until it clipped on. And then I'm going to spin this little thing on the end until it locks itself in place. Okay, first thing you're going to do is start pumping this. You want to feel pressure kick back. I'm not feeling any yet. That tells me I got an airlock in there. So when it's just pumping like that, but you don't feel any pressure, you got to wait for the grease to get in place. All right, so what I did is push down on this, and I tapped down on this a little bit. I leave it sticking out, but I just tapped down a little bit there until it forced it. Now we're going to try to see if we're primed yet. This particular Zerk fitting on this RV is offset, where lots of times they're just directly down the middle. When you're going to pump this until you got grease coming out of the overflow hole like that, when you do, then you know that you're full. Okay, so when that grease starts coming out, that excess hole, then you're just going to put that cap back on there like that. You're going to go around and do all 4. Okay, so here we are on the boat trailer. The other one had like little tin plastic covers. This one's got the rubber ones, and you're just going to take a screwdriver in there and pop that off just like that. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now here we are on the lawn trailer. Same thing, it's got the little rubber seal. Just pop a little skinny screwdriver in there, and that thing should come off there. And then you're gonna hook up your grease gun and get pumping. Okay, now this is the best price that I have found on a grease gun. I have actually spent $50, $60, $70 on brand name grease guns, and they just were crap after a few weeks or a few months. And so I'm not spending that type of money anymore. This is a very fair price, very excellent price on this BraveX. By the way, when you're pumping this down, you're filling up all your bearings, this plunger is going to suck down a little as it goes. And when this gets down to bottoming out, then it's time to put a new tube of grease in there. All right, now this comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. Of course, if you buy it on Amazon and it's under 30 days, you're going to get your money back anyway. That's a good thing about getting it on Amazon. The other thing I want to tell you about is this joint cleaner right here, made by John Deere. It's called a grease joint cleaner, and here's your part number right here. TY26457. And if you get a Zerk fitting, you're hooked up there and you are trying to put grease in, and this thing is squeezing really hard and you're not getting any grease out, you're not getting any grease in, the Zerk fitting's probably got sand or dirt on it, or it's rusted up or whatever. So I have a separate video on this. You might want to check this out. But this grease joint cleaner, you hook this up to your Zerk fitting and then hook it up, and you'll see on the instructions on the other video. But this will clean those Zerk fittings out so you can get grease once again into them. So you can pick this up, anybody that sells John Deere parts, or maybe you can find a different brand, I don't know, but this is the one that we have. Another nice thing about this one, it comes with a cap. Usually they don't have caps, and then there's a little bit of grease in there and you're flinging the stuff all over. But when you're done, you can put that cap on there for storage, and it's just a nice feature. All right, now I'm looking at the warranty card here, and they just want you to contact them directly if you have a technical issue or a warranty issue, and they will send you a prepaid shipping label so you can ship this thing back. There's the number that you're going to call, and that's for technical issues on operating, or if you want to send it back and return it. So that looks like a pretty fair return policy that BraveX offers. Okay, so one last thing. This hard tip grease gun fitting is used for reaching hard to access places like U-joints or bearings that you can't really reach to, and it's going to give you precise access to get up into there to grease those hard to reach items. So there you have it. That's your grease gun. You can use it on all your stuff to keep things greased up and running smoothly. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and if you want to subscribe, that'd be great too. It's Kevin with Naples Lawn Service.